What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So in today's video, we have another major game changer. We're going to be reviewing one of the latest corporate fintech credit cards. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Jeeves. Now, Jeeves is one of the latest corporate cards. Now, what makes this different from a lot of the expense management corporate cards that we've reviewed previously is that this is tailored to global startups. So it's not just US based. So as you can see right here, if you're in Canada, if you're in the UK, the United States, there's a bunch of different countries that they've launched. And so one of the questions that I usually would get from people in the comment section are, what are the options for businesses that are not located in the United States? Now, this is going to be one of them. So right now they're in a select number of countries. One of the advantages, there's no fees, there's no interest, and there's no personal guarantees. However, this is going to work very similar to a lot of other corporate cards where you do have to pay off the balance in full after every billing cycle. But before we dive into the details, I just wanted to go over some information about Jeeves. Jeeves is a fintech company that brings financial solutions to businesses globally, and they've raised a total of $188 million. They have about 42 investors. Recently, they've raised a lot of money. In the first quarter of 2021, they had only raised about $5 million, but as of the third quarter, they've raised $188 million. And some of the notable investors, NBA icon Andre Iguodala, you also have NBA All-Star Kevin Durant. What makes Jeeves unique is not only do they have a corporate card, but they also have small business loans. In order to sign up, all you have to do is click on that button right here, and then you're going to enter in your name, your work email, your phone number, and then whatever country that you're applying from. Now, the process is very similar to ClearCard. When they first came out, they were doing one-on-one interviews when you applied. So you will have to schedule an interview to speak with a representative at the company. They'll get a better understanding of your business and provide you with the applications and the documentation that you have to submit in order to apply. Now, aside from just the corporate card, they also have working capital. Now, this is very unique because as you can see right here, you can get up to 1 year of revenue upfront instantly. So you can convert your monthly revenue into upfront capital. There's no dilution or crazy terms, fast underwriting, and you can get your funding in your local currency. Right now, they have a limited time only where early users can get up to $25,000 of growth capital interest free, which is a game changer. Now, what's really cool about Jeeves Growth, which is the working capital part of the platform, so they have the corporate card and then they have the working capital / business loans, which is called Jeeves Growth, is that you can get the money in your bank account in less than 24 hours, and you'll have more access to loans as your business grows and scales. So as your business grows, you'll be able to get access to larger amounts of working capital and loans, and you can get the capital in your local currency with no foreign transaction fees. And this is going to be cheaper than most banks. Now, what I really like about this is that it's an alternative to traditional financing, which is usually unavailable to newer businesses. You can get access to capital with very little hassle. And what makes this unique is that they have flexible repayments. The repayment schedule is going to follow your revenue. They make sure that the business can support repayment, not the other way around. And they could support businesses of all sizes. Small business loans start at $50,000 USD, and they could structure the loans in line with your revenue. You can get instant financing, so you can get the funds wired in less than 24 hours. It's hassle-free, so there's no loan covenants, no tranches, no warrants, and so you can get the capital without the headache. Now, the Jeeves platform gives you the ability to create virtual cards as well as physical cards, and a lot of the same functionality as you would find on some of the other expense management platforms. And you could also earn cash back as high as 4% on what you spend. So right now, Jeeves is available in the following countries: Mexico, Colombia, Canada, the United Kingdom, Chile, as well as the United States and Europe. And they do plan on launching in more countries over time. So just to recap, Jeeves is the latest fintech corporate card that's available to global startups, not just US based, but in several other countries. And they do plan on launching in more countries in the future. And they also offer revenue based loans where you can get up to 1 year of your revenue fronted to you in your bank account in less than 24 hours. And they have small business loans that start at a minimum of $50,000 USD. So overall, I think this is a game changer, not to mention that there's absolutely no hard credit check. So you're not going to get a hard inquiry on your personal credit. And again, you're going to be able to get access to this even as a newer business. So overall, I think this is a pretty good option. If there's anyone out there who's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.